Biopharmaceutical scientists worldwide are tasked with translating breakthroughs in fundamental research into medicines and vaccines that improve and extend the lives of people worldwide. Never has this been truer than it is today. The ongoing pandemic caused by SARS-CoV-2 has been devastating to the global population, with nearly 400 million infections and 5.7 million deaths worldwide as of February 2022. Although the rapid development and distribution of vaccines has been critical to slowing the pandemic, there remains a need for antiviral therapies to complement the arsenal available to physicians treating patients, especially those who are at risk of serious outcomes associated with the infection. The discovery and development of molnupiravir, also known as Lagevrio, represents a milestone achievement in our industry and was accomplished against a backdrop of a global pandemic. Tonight we honor Frank Bernardoni, Gregory Blumling, Jameson Bothy, Andrew Brunskill, Daryl Chang, Patrick Fear, Alexander Kolihaloff, Damian Kuiper, Michael Lowinger, Colette McMahon, Michael Natchez, Christopher New, William Morris, Grace Oku, George Painter, Sanjay Kumar Patel, Manohar Sendani, Lucy Tan, Mike Ward, Abraham Woldu, Yingzhu Zhu. Researchers from Emory University, Merck, and Ridgeback Biotherapeutics collaborated to develop and manufacture Lagevrio, molnupiravir, an investigational oral antiviral COVID-19 treatment. Merck has shipped more than 4 million courses of Lagevrio to more than 25 countries, including approximately 3 million courses to the U.S. government as part of its procurement agreement. Additionally, Merck and Ridgeback are engaged in numerous efforts to accelerate broad, equitable access globally, including granting voluntary licenses to generics manufacturers and to the medicine's patent pool to make generic molnupiravir available in more than 100 low and middle income countries following approvals or emergency authorization by local regulatory agencies, and an agreement on the allocation of up to 3 million courses of therapy to the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, for use in adults. Since the fourth quarter of 2021, molnupiravir has achieved multiple regulatory milestones, including emergency use authorization from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to treat mild to moderate COVID-19 in adults with positive results of direct SARS-CoV-2 viral testing, and who are at high risk for progression to severe COVID-19, including hospitalization or death. Special approval for emergency granted by Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare for infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2. Authorization by the UK Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 in adults with positive SARS-CoV-2 diagnostic test and who have at least one risk factor for developing severe illness. Across the world, governments have purchased molnupiravir for their citizens, including treatment courses for 3.1 million people in the USA, 2.23 million people in the UK, and 1.6 million people in Japan. Molnupiravir has not been approved but has been authorized for emergency use by the FDA under an EUA to treat mild to moderate coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19, in adults with positive results of direct SARS-CoV-2 viral testing and who are at high risk for progression to severe COVID-19, including hospitalization or death, and for whom alternative COVID-19 treatment options authorized by the FDA are not accessible or clinically appropriate. We congratulate the scientists from Merck & Co. Incorporated and Emory University for their outstanding contributions to science and their service to society.